They call this the heart of Mozambique. From the fatherhood and home routine to the wild 5 kilometers journey I take every single day just to reach my students. Broken chain, river crossing and pure resilience. This is my morning commute. Welcome to my world. Hello there, I am Beans and I am talking from where you're welcome to, the heart of Mozambique. This is my morning commute video where I bring to you the challenges I face as a single father and teacher. Before I am a teacher, I'm a father. Life in Namacurra starts early and every detail from the water we use to the care for my son, it's part of our strength. Friends, it's 6 a.m. here in Namacurra. My day doesn't start in the classroom, it starts here as a father. My son isn't feeling well today, so medicine and breakfast come first. I'm just waking up and I've already given my son pills to take. So now it's my time to get ready to the work. Come with me. Try to take a bath a bit. Well, I'm late because last night was tough. Once my kid is sick, I didn't sleep as needed. And now I'm going to take a bath, so follow me. See my bathroom? It's built with local materials. It's simple, but it's our reality. As you can see, I made it by myself here in Mozambique. Sometimes we have to do our own things by ourselves. But sometimes it's lack of money. But for me, it's what people say. If you want good things, better do by yourself. Take a look of how is it now. It's a little bit sunny. That's why the image is not very good. But I will try to show you for this side here. You see, here's my bathroom. Would you imagine that in Mozambique we do things here like this? Write down in the comments. This is the way I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth early in the morning. This is the way I take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way I take a bath early in the morning. We value every drop of water because we know there are some areas in Mozambique where a single drop of water is hard to get. While I comb my hair and prepare my bag, I'm already mentally translating today's English lesson. A teacher never sleeps. We just dream about our students' future. Meet my partner in journey, the one who takes me everywhere I go. Bicycle is the mean of transport most used around our country. And my bike has a name. Dacia. The name of my bike is Dacia. I'm leaving. I've got my school bag here with my lesson plan and the gown that I'm going to use to teach. And my bike is already there. So now it's my time to ride. Follow me. This is the way I go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way I go to work, go to work, go to work. This is the way I go to work early in the morning. The road to education isn't always paved. Sometimes the chain breaks, sometimes the sand is steep. But the goal remains the same. Now, let's hit the road. This is my commute, no car, no trains, just legs and this bicycle. The energy in the street is amazing, everyone is hustling. But look, even the best plans have obstacles. My chain just fell off. In Mozambique we say desrascar, we find a way. This local mechanic is a lifesaver while he works. He is the only one who touches my Dacia when there is something to be fixed. Now everything is okay. The journey keeps on.
Boss! Tô bem, como está? Também. Peço 20 meticais.
I can't start my day without these local bolinhos, the best snacks in town. These small fried doves cost almost nothing, but give me a full I need for the next 4 kilometers.
Obrigado. Tamo juntos. Tô a correr pro trabalho.
This is one of the most busiest places in town. Everyone is rushing, running up and down to buy or to sell. We call this place paragem, or in English, bus station. It's a place where everyone comes to take a bus or take a taxi or any means of transport that is available. Leaving it behind, I'm on my way to my work, enjoying every single meter of distance that I'm faced to reach there. If you think your commute is stressful, imagine doing it with a broken chain in the African sun. In this journey, every morning I see one of the most beautiful landscapes Namacurra has. This is one of the most beautiful landscapes I see every morning when I go to the work. The new bridge built by Chinese people, and after the bridge, off-road. We are leaving the paved road now. This is what the beauty of Zambezia really shows. But look at this old beauty. The colors, the houses, the street. But all this beauty comes with a price. To teach Maulat, I have to cross this stream.
Hey man, como está? Também. Bom dia. Graças. Se eu tivesse de chinelo também passaria aí. Yeah.
This small wooden bridge was made by the community. One wrong step and I and my bike are in the water. I have to carry the bicycle. It's heavy and it's hot, but when I think of more than 200 students waiting for me, the bike feels light. Would you cross a bridge like this every day for your job? Tell me in the comments.
I have to stop to let the man here pass. Hey man, bom dia. Como está?
Wow, now I made it! Welcome to Maulat Primary School. That man you see is Wilton, my friend. He is already teaching in a classroom made of zinc sheet and wood. It gets incredibly hot inside, but the passion for education is stronger than the heat. He was calling me to know where was I, and I asked about my son.
O lugar não tá nada bem. Não tá bem. Mas
This is the school of this small community called Maulat.
Hey, morning.
After greeting my friends, it's time to get in the classroom and the students are already running to enter.
Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Sit down, please.
After the English lesson, the headmaster called all the students for a meeting. Now you're looking to something that every morning give me strength to teach and face those 5 kilometers to reach here. Clean uniforms, perfect lines, and eyes full of hope. This is why the 5 km of dust and mud don't matter. We are building the future of Mozambique here, one good morning at a time. This behind me are our students from the grade 6 to the grade 9. And teacher Wilton is talking to the students, as you can see there. It's a small meeting assembly where teachers gives general information for all the students. It was like very tiring for me since dealing with my kids sick at home. The bike that it started giving me problems on the road. Now I'm with the one, and after here we will start our other work. So thank you for watching our videos, thank you for supporting us, and we will meet on the next video. In the next video.